this is where the motorbikes are, and they've been here for the past 1 week, and we leave today. We go to, yes, to load them on the boat. So I just want to reorganize my panniers and get the boot inside because the bags don't fit everything. So we are now just about to leave to go to take the bikes for the loading. Yep.
You said that we were fine. You swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You told me lies behind my back. I don't know where I'm at. You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine.
Stop it!
Hey!
Ludwig!
One more. So we don't get to see the actual loading on the big boat, but let's show you what happens to get the bikes from the mainland to the inland, like onshore on the big boat. So this right here is what they're going to use, one bike at a time. They're going to tie the bike and put it on that, and one bike at a time they'll take it to the big boat.
You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine.
It's now time for Dos's bike to go. So
Algo lindo.
So there is Dos's bike. He was very sweating, like he was really scared with mine going. I don't know what Dos saw, but Dos, I hope you're not sweating this time. Yes, he really got scared.
You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine. You swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You told me lies behind my back. I don't know where I'm at.
So good morning, guys. We are just about to embark on the boat. So it's gonna be the small donkeys to start with, and then it's gonna be the sailing boat. So have a glimpse of what's happening right now. And this is part of the team that we are traveling with. So all those guys standing there are bikers, and they've also loaded their bikes just like us. And see our kind of luggage for, yes, many months of travel. So this is one person, and where Dos is, that's Dos, and the red one is mine, and then the other black stuff close on the jetty is someone else. So this is how we travel. Ambia wa Kenya kitu.
This has been my dream.
Okay. Come.
Fahr jetzt nur mit den beiden rüber, dann verlieren wir noch ein bisschen Luggage mit. Come, get my hand. Sit down here.
You made it.
You only tell lies, even though you said you wanna go. It's hard to say goodbye. It's over now. You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine. You swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You told me lies behind my back. Nowhere am I. You said that I was all you'd ever want.
2 people.
Yeah.
Okay.
You said that we were fine. You swore that you
Here are the motorcycles. So that's 1, and then we have 2, and the third one down there, and then we have number 4, and I am just walking to our motorcycles. That one and the one behind, those are our motorcycles, and you can see how they've covered them so well, so we don't have the risk of having the salty water on the bikes. We are sorted on that, no rusting.
was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine. You swore that you would never break my.
So this is our captain, Anna. Hi, Anna. Hi. Please tell me what you're doing.
I am checking
Can I ask where you come from?
I am German and Dutch.
Can I ask how old you are?
I'm 22.
Oh my God, that's our captain. We have all our thousands of years on the 22-year-old captain. Thank you so much. Do you love your job?
Yes, I do.
How long have you been doing this?
On this ship, 3.5 years now.
3 months.
3.5 years.
3.5 years on this ship. So when did you start? You're only 22.
Well, before I did not sail too many, but other smaller boats.
Oh God, I love your job. So I hope I can learn something from you before I get off the boat.
Maybe we all learn from each other. So.
Thank you. but all the food on this boat is delicious.
You said you wanna go. It's hard to say goodbye. It's so